Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the world of sickle cell disease. It's a mouthful, I know, but stick with me. This disease affects the very building blocks of our bodies, our cells, specifically our red blood cells. You see, red blood cells are like tiny delivery trucks carrying oxygen throughout our bodies. They're normally round and flexible, squeezing through even the tiniest blood vessels. But with sickle cell disease, these cells become stiff and sticky, shaped like a crescent moon or a sickle. This change in shape causes all sorts of problems, making it hard for blood to flow smoothly and deliver oxygen effectively. This leads to pain, fatigue, and a host of other issues. But don't worry, we'll explore everything in detail. Sickle cell disease is inherited, meaning it's passed down from parents to their children through genes. It's caused by a mutation in the gene that tells our bodies how to make hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. When this gene is mutated, it leads to the production of abnormal hemoglobin, known as hemoglobin S. Hemoglobin S causes red blood cells to become rigid and form the characteristic sickle shape. Understanding the genetic basis of sickle cell disease helps us in diagnosing and managing the condition more effectively. There are treatments available that can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life for those affected. With ongoing research and support, there's hope for better treatments and possibly a cure in the future. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science and stories behind sickle cell disease. So what causes these red blood cells to change shape? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and doctors for years. The answer, as it turns out, is deeply rooted in our biology. The answer lies in our genes, the blueprints that make us who we are. These genes are like a set of instructions guiding the development and function of every cell in our body. Genes determine everything from our eye color to our risk for certain diseases. They are responsible for the traits we inherit from our parents, and they play a crucial role in our overall health. In the case of sickle cell disease, there's a tiny change, a mutation, in the gene that tells our bodies how to make hemoglobin. This mutation is small but has significant consequences. Hemoglobin is like the cargo inside those red blood cell delivery trucks. It's essential for transporting oxygen throughout our body. It's a protein that carries oxygen to our organs and tissues. Without it, our cells wouldn't get the oxygen they need to function properly. This gene mutation causes the hemoglobin to clump together, distorting the shape of the red blood cells and making them sticky. These misshapen cells are less flexible and can cause serious health issues. Instead of flowing smoothly, these cells get stuck in blood vessels, causing blockages and pain. This can lead to a range of complications, from mild discomfort to severe pain and organ damage. Now that we know what causes sickle cell disease, let's talk about its symptoms. This disease can affect many parts of the body and lead to a variety of complications. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for managing the condition effectively. Imagine those stiff, sickle-shaped cells trying to squeeze through your blood vessels. Ouch! These cells can get stuck and block blood flow, causing intense pain and discomfort. This can cause sudden and severe pain called a pain crisis. These pain episodes can occur anywhere in the body and can last for hours or even days, but pain isn't the only symptom. Remember, these cells struggle to carry oxygen effectively. This lack of oxygen can affect various organs and tissues. This can lead to fatigue, shortness of breath, and pale skin. People with sickle cell disease often feel tired and weak because their bodies aren't getting enough oxygen. Imagine trying to run a marathon with only half the air you need. This is what it can feel like for someone with sickle cell disease during physical activities. Other symptoms include frequent infections, delayed growth, and vision problems. The disease can weaken the immune system, making it easier to get sick. It's important to remember that everyone experiences sickle cell disease differently. The severity and frequency of symptoms can vary widely from person to person. Some people have mild symptoms, while others face more significant challenges. Understanding these differences is key to providing the right care and support for each individual. Section 4. Living with sickle cell. Challenges and triumphs. Life with sickle cell disease can be tough. Pain crises can be unpredictable, making it difficult to attend school, work, or participate in activities. Imagine having to miss out on fun because of sudden pain. But despite these challenges, people with sickle cell disease are incredibly resilient. They learn to manage their condition, taking medications, staying hydrated, and avoiding triggers that can cause pain crises. They find ways to adapt, to live full and meaningful lives. They are students, athletes, artists, and so much more. Their strength and determination are truly inspiring. Section 5. Treatment and management navigating life with sickle cell. While there's no cure for sickle cell disease yet, there are ways to manage the symptoms and prevent complications. It's all about keeping those red blood cells healthy and flowing smoothly. Medications can help reduce pain, prevent infections, and manage complications. Regular blood transfusions can provide a fresh supply of healthy red blood cells. Lifestyle changes are also crucial. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding extreme temperatures can make a big difference. Section 6. Raising awareness, spreading hope, the importance of support. Living with sickle cell disease can be isolating. That's why awareness and support are so important. By understanding the disease and its challenges, we can create a more supportive environment for those living with it. Families, friends, and communities play a vital role in providing emotional support, understanding, and encouragement. There are also many organizations dedicated to supporting individuals and families affected by sickle cell disease. Remember, a little compassion and understanding can go a long way. Section 7. The future is bright. Research and advancements. The good news is that scientists are working hard to find better treatments and even a cure for sickle cell disease. Research is constantly evolving with promising advancements in gene therapy and new medications. Gene therapy aims to correct the faulty gene that causes sickle cell disease. Imagine a future where we can reprogram those genes and prevent the disease altogether. While we're not there yet, the future is full of hope. By raising awareness, supporting research, and advocating for those living with sickle cell disease, we can strive for a future free from its burden.